With climate, we unlock the secrets to bountiful harvests and thriving ecosystems. Embarking on our gardening adventure begins with a fundamental step: soil testing. This simple yet powerful tool unveils the hidden secrets of our garden's foundation. Think of a soil test as a health checkup for your soil. It provides valuable information about its pH level, nutrient content, and composition. Armed with this knowledge, we can tailor our gardening practices for optimal plant growth. Several methods exist for soil testing, from DIY kits to professional laboratory analysis. Choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Remember, regular soil testing is vital, as soil conditions can change over time due to various factors like weather patterns and plant uptake. This ongoing assessment empowers us to make informed decisions, ensuring our gardens thrive year after year. Flourish in their unique environment. Are key to achieving and maintaining the ideal balance for your garden. Nourishing growth: macronutrients in harmony. Just as we need a balanced diet, our plants require a healthy mix of macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, for optimal growth. Think of them as the building blocks of a thriving garden. Nitrogen fuels leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development and flowering, while potassium contributes to overall plant health and disease resistance. Each nutrient plays a vital role in the plant's life cycle. Understanding the specific needs of your plants and conducting regular soil tests will guide you in providing the right balance of these essential nutrients. Organic fertilizers, compost, and manure are excellent natural sources to nourish your soil and promote healthy growth. Remember, over-fertilizing can be detrimental to your plants and the environment. It's crucial to strike a balance and provide the necessary nutrients without causing harm. The little helpers: micronutrients and their impact. While macronutrients take center stage, micronutrients, though needed in smaller quantities, play equally vital roles in plant health. These trace elements, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of the soil: iron, manganese, zinc, and copper. These micronutrients contribute to various plant functions, from chlorophyll production to disease resistance. Deficiencies in these essential elements can manifest in stunted growth, leaf discoloration, and reduced yields. Conducting a comprehensive soil test can reveal any micronutrient deficiencies. Amending your soil with organic matter, compost, or specific micronutrient fertilizers can address these imbalances, ensuring your plants receive the full spectrum of nutrients they need to thrive. Remember, even small adjustments can make a world of difference in the health and vitality of your garden. By paying attention to both macronutrients and micronutrients, we create a thriving ecosystem where our plants can flourish.